Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, worried, depressed, lonely, tired, hungry, feeling lack and limitations, scarcity mindset, feeling angry at circumstance, feeling annoyed with people, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Trusting in the opportunities that are already here. Trusting in our awareness. Trusting in love. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be upright, aware. Putting distractions to the side as you gently close your eyes. Witnessing and welcoming all sensations, thoughts, emotions, no matter how unpleasant they may feel. Welcoming, witnessing, embracing yourself as you are. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing the belly, relaxing your hands and feet, letting go of tension in the face by bringing a subtle smile, feeling that smile spreading to your chest, to your belly, helping you relax, helping you to let go. Letting go of the inner critic, coming back into self-love, self-appreciation, taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in with awareness. Exhaling with awareness. Breathing in love and light. Exhaling any fears, any darkness that you feel. Simply letting it go. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of worries, anxieties. Having faith that you are where you're supposed to be, that life is unfolding as it should. Breathing in, feeling your belly rise. Exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Breathing in grounded masculine energy. Exhale, feeling yourself rooted, present, strong. Breathing in beautiful feminine energy. Exhale, feeling yourself more beautiful, inwards and outwards. Having love for your body, having love for your mind, having love for your emotions. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of the past. It's a new day, a new moment, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive. Forgiving yourself for any mistakes that have been made recently, forgiving others, having more patience for other people. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, looking in, witnessing and welcoming this present moment. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold. And exhale, let go. And for a few moments, I want you to bring all your attention inwards. You're safe to close the eyes, witnessing and welcoming all that you observe. Looking in very gently, very lovingly. Very nice, my friend. Way to stay with it. I'm so happy to have you joining me today. Very special to connect in this way. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is silver. The number is 5,000. And the animal is a water buffalo. Just for 5 seconds, becoming totally present. And taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your mind, relaxing your heart. Taking one more deep breath. Hold. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love. Here's an affirmation for you. I am healed and I feel the abundance of love, resources, creativity, and consciousness that is already here. Becoming aware today of the blessings that is already here, the opportunities that is already here, and the love that you already have inside. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.